In today's video, I am going to teach you how to combine text and image using Canva, typography text. This simple technique lets your subject appear in front of the words, creating a bold magazine style look that's perfect for thumbnails, posters, and social posts. Start by bringing your image into Canva and placing it on the canvas. You can drag and drop from your computer or use the Uploads panel. Scale and position the image so your subject sits where you want the final focus to be. Give yourself a little breathing room around the edges, so the typography has space to live without feeling cramped. With the image selected, open Edit Photo and choose Background Remover. Canva will process the cutout automatically. If any edges need cleanup, use the Erase and Restore brushes to refine hairlines, clothing edges, or small gaps around hands. When you are happy with the cutout, apply it and double-check that the background is fully removed so the next step works smoothly. Now add your text and place it on top of the image. Use the text tool to type your headline or phrase. Then choose a bold, legible font that complements your image. Adjust size, weight, line spacing, and letter spacing, so the text feels balanced. Aim for contrast if your subject is light. A darker text usually reads better, and vice versa. To create that layered look, select the text, go to Position, and move the text layer behind the image layer. You'll see the subject pop forward while the typography sits just behind. Fine. Tune placement so key parts of the subject, like the face or main product details, aren't covered awkwardly. Nudge the text until both the message and the image feel clear and intentional. For added depth, duplicate the image. With the duplicate selected, open Effects, choose Duotone and pick black to turn it into a solid dark silhouette. Then add blur to soften the edges and create the feel of a shadow. A moderate blur works best enough to diffuse the shape without losing the outline. If needed, slightly lower the transparency and nudge this blurred layer just a bit off. Center behind the original cutout so it reads like a natural shadow. Make sure the original, non-blurred image sits on top, with the black blurred version underneath it and your text behind both. Give everything a final look. Check alignment, spacing, and readability, and make small adjustments until it feels cohesive. That's it. Thanks for watching.